What's going on, everyone? Chase with Shinify here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and Sora. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to give you everything you need to do step by step to start earning money online. And I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process so that you can bring in leads and sales without having to lift a finger. Now, I'm going to show you a system that we've set up for our own company, and then I'm going to show you how you can set this up for yourself as well. And ideally, you can get started with this today. So let's talk about what you're going to need in order to get started. So first of all, you are going to need a way to create AI videos, because what we're doing is we're creating AI videos using a few different pieces of technology. We're using ChatGPT to create the prompts, the scripts, and to create the images, because right now, by the way, if you're not aware of this, Sora is not currently available to most people. So that doesn't mean you can't do AI videos, but what it does mean is that if you start putting in the right things, the right steps, you will be prepared for when Sora comes out. Now, let me just show you what some of these videos look like, because these videos get thousands and thousands of views, thousands of leads, and they make sales for us on autopilot. And so again, we're using ChatGPT to build images and build AI videos. And this is the exact same process that you're going to use to create Sora videos when Sora comes out to the public. And so let me just, again, show you what these videos look like. We're going to pull open our Instagram page. And by the way, Instagram is where we actually get the least amount of views compared to our automated Facebook channels that bring in a lot more views. But I just want to show you really quick what these videos look like. So a lot of these videos here that you're seeing, they're all made with AI, every single video here. So the voice is an AI voice, the scripts are AI, the images are AI, and the videos are all AI. So let me show you this one. This one we made yesterday, and we're posting about 4 to 5 times a day on social media. And these videos, what we're doing is we're talking about websites that people can get started with if they want to try out different AI websites that we can actually get paid to promote. And we can siphon the leads as well by using something called redirects. And I'll show you that in a second, but let's just watch this video really quick.
Wait, they do not want you to know about these 5 scary AI video tools. Shinify.com will let you create AI videos like the one you're watching right now. Just type in a script and click generate. That's terrifying. ScaryToolbots.com will give you instant access to hundreds of AI video tools that you can get paid to promote. Don't tell anyone about that one. The AIGiveaway.com will pay you to perform simple actions that you can automate with bots. Can you believe that? The last website is more scary than all of these. If you want me to send you the link, reply yes to this video.
Okay, so let's talk about what's going on in this video first of all. Then we'll talk about how we're making money with this, and then we'll talk about how we're automating these videos. And then we'll talk about how you would use Sora to make these videos as well, because again, when Sora comes out, these videos, instead of them being images in each part of the video, they would be AI video made with Sora. So again, putting all these steps in place right now is going to get you prepared so that when Sora comes out, you can make videos like this that are going to bring you in a crazy amount of leads, because just these videos alone, we're bringing in thousands and thousands of leads a day just by automating these videos. So first of all, let's talk about what's in this video. So as you could see, we did like these top whatever websites, top 5 websites. Now, every single one of these websites, we own the domains to each of these websites. So the first website we own, obviously Shinify, that's our channel. The next website we own, which is a checklist that we have a email opt-in for. And then anything that we mention in these videos, we own the domains, okay? And so the idea is that you can actually talk about different websites, but you own the domains, right? And what does that mean? It means that, let's say you want to get paid to promote 10 different websites. Okay. And if you don't know which websites to promote, by the way, if you head over to scarytoolbots.com or you go to the link in the description, you can sign up for any one of these tools and you can get paid to promote them. But instead of sending people to, let's say, Shinify or any one of these websites, what you want to do is you want to send them to a redirect domain. And what is a redirect domain? A redirect domain means that it's a website or a domain name, a web URL with the whole point of the domain is just to redirect them somewhere. So let's say somebody goes to, let's take one of these redirect domains here, aischedulingtool.com. There's no website here. The only thing that's here is a opt-in. So we redirect them to an email opt-in page. So they have to enter their email to grab this tool. And then when they enter their email, it takes them to the affiliate link that we can actually get paid for. So when we do a redirect domain in these videos, we get the leads, we get the opt-ins, but we also get the affiliates. Okay. And so we're posting like 5 of these top website videos every single day. And the way we're able to do that is by using AI to automate the content. Now, the results of this, like I showed you earlier, is thousands of dollars a day in sales, but also it's thousands of leads. And so our email list is getting about 500 leads a day. Let me show you what that looks like. And also our other channels like our ManyChat or our Facebook Messenger is getting hundreds and hundreds of opt-ins a day. And so between all of our assets, we're getting over 1,000 different types of leads every single day that want to pay for these different things we talk about. Look at this. Yesterday, we got 625 leads. These are people that are entering their email to learn more about our offers. And so again, you can do this exact same thing. Okay. And you can even do this with brand new pages. You don't have to have an established, you might be saying, well, Chase, you have an established presence online. Okay. But we're doing this with brand new pages as well. And the cool thing about this is you can do this with multiple pages at a time. And what I mean by that is in Facebook, for example, you can create as many of these pages as you want. Look at how many pages we have. We are posting to every single one of these different pages. And even if one page only gets 100 views, if we have 20 pages, well, guess what? So that's 2,000 views. And we can use tools and automation to schedule out all this content on all of these pages. For example, this tool called Radar will let us schedule out all of these posts so we can rake in all of the leads. And let me just show you one of the pages. If I go to, let's just say one of these pages that's brand new, it's a completely faceless page. Nobody knows that we own this page, right? This is just a page that is called Video Creation Rules. And it's just a page that we built. And we didn't send any emails about it. Nobody really knows about this page except for the people that organically saw our content. But if we go to Insights here, again, with a completely faceless page that we just started posting to, without any ads or anything, we can see the amount of views by going into here. Look at this. In the last 28 days, 106,000 posts reach and or views and 10,000 engagements. So that means either likes or comments. And so all these people on this anonymous page are going to be going and checking out these websites, not all of them, but a lot of them, right? And we're going to be getting those as leads. But then imagine if we have another page, I'll show you another anonymous page here. We'll go to, let's say this one, Shorts Makes Money. And again, they're just named random things. There's not really any sort of secret here. We're just creating random pages with random names. And look at this, 347,000 reach, 39,000 engagements in the last 28 days. We'll look at this other page. We'll check out Shinify. So imagine if you had 10 or 20 different pages that you're automating like this. Look at this, 600,000 reach. But all of these videos are AI. We're not going and doing anything like crazy. We're just doing these top 5 websites. And then we're posting them on social media like 4 to 5 times a day. And the tool we use allows us to post to all these different platforms at once. Like we could literally just click all channels like this, boom. Now we're posting to all these TikToks as well. Okay. So you don't have to just post on Facebook, but we found that Facebook probably works the best. So now that you kind of see how this process works, let's talk about making some videos. Okay. So OpenAI, which is responsible for making ChatGPT and Sora, is what we use to go and make these videos. Okay, so let's say we want to do the top 5 websites for AI tools. Okay, so what we can do is we can say we want image prompts. We want 10 image prompts for these top 5 websites. Now, right now, I'm just showing you how to do this manually, okay? If you want to automate this, just stick around. I'm going to show you how to automate this in a second. But we would take these, whatever the image prompts are for the 5 websites we want to promote. Let's say it's this one and so on. And then ChatGPT would give us all these image prompts, right? And then what we would do is we'd go back to ChatGPT after it gives us the image prompts, and we would prompt each image, basically, right? So we would say, okay, the first image is a dark, eerie background with a robotic hand holding a glowing orb. Okay, so then we'd go here, image prompt. Now, if you're going to be using Sora, ideally, this is how Sora would work. You would say, instead of image prompt, you'd say video prompt. Okay, so the only thing that's really going to change when Sora comes out to the public is you're just going to change image to video. Okay, now once you do the first image prompt, let me just do this first one. It's going to make us an image, or whenever we get Sora, it's going to make us a video. Okay, and then we're going to go to the next one, and we're going to go and make the next image or next video. Okay, and so ideally, after we do this, we're going to have all these images that we're going to download, and then we're going to plug into CapCut and or whatever editing tool you want, and we're going to edit it all together. Okay, but this is going to take us a while, especially if we want to do 5 videos a day, right? So instead, what you would use is something like Shinify. This is the tool that we've built, and it's the tool that we're planning on integrating Sora with, so that when OpenAI releases Sora, you're going to be able to automate all of these with 1 click, or potentially 0 clicks if you want to outsource this. I'll talk about that in a second. But Shinify to get started is $1. Just go to shinify.com, enter your email. You're going to grab the $1 trial. It's a 30-day trial. You get like 10 credits for the $1. That'll get you anywhere between 5 to 10 videos on average, depending on how long the videos are. I'll talk about the credit system in a little bit, but go try it out. It's $1. If you don't like it, we'll give you your $1 back, but you log in. And then once you're in, there's only really a few main tools here. Okay. So first of all, you have ChatGPT right here. So if you don't want to pay for ChatGPT, Shinify, which is $27 a month for our base plan, is basically the same as ChatGPT. So if you just want to use ChatGPT through here and not pay for ChatGPT, you can do that. It's the same exact thing. But otherwise, we have these other 2 tools here called Image to Video and Transcriber. Transcriber is really just so you can take a trending video and transcribe it and recreate it. Okay, so I could take a video from our Facebook, one of the ones that performed well. Let's say we took one of our recent videos here, like this one. Okay, so we can copy the URL like so, head over to Shinify, paste that URL in, click on transcribe, and then we will get a transcribed video. Okay, now next, what we can do is we can take the transcription, click on create, and this will pass the transcription to our video creation tool. And so the way this tool works is it does everything that I showed you a second ago with ChatGPT, except instead of you having to build all the image prompts and come up with the image prompts and do all the things that are required, this just automates it with 1 click. Okay, so how does that work? So you put in the script, whatever you want the video to say. So let's say these are the top 5 websites, right? Or it could be anything, doesn't matter. Then what we can do is we can say, okay, we want a TikTok style video, a short form video, which is 9 by 16 dimensions. You can also do landscape if you want to do a long form video. And then you can actually change your theme too. So we found that scary themes usually do better. People seem to react more to the videos that are deemed as scary, even if the videos aren't really that scary. But let's say we want to do custom theme, and we say we want to make the images in the video scary. Okay. Now remember, when Sora comes out, we're going to change this prompt to, we want to make the videos in the video scary. Okay. Then we're going to do accuracy. This just gives us more image prompts. That's completely up to you. Animation, we're going to turn that on. It just makes the video move around. Voice, this is just what voice we want to use. We can also turn our 11 Labs API on, and this will actually let us clone our own voice if we want to use our own voice in the video, if we want to use a voice clone. And then music, if we want music, we're going to leave that off. We're just going to click on generate and create. And then what this is going to do, because we enabled accuracy, is it's going to figure out how many image prompts it needs. And then it's going to ask us to do one more thing, which is just make sure that that's how many we want. We're going to click on create. So once this video is done, it'll take about 10 minutes. Now, by the way, you don't need to leave this tool on. You can actually exit out of the browser, come back, and the tool will finish on its own. And you can do up to 3 videos at a time. So you can create a video, then create the next one, then create the next one. All right, so now that you're creating the video, like I said, you can come back to it. What we're gonna do is just cover a few more parts of the tool just so you can see what's in here. Right now, we're actually adding updates in the tool so that there's going to be a AI video gallery and image gallery where you can actually have these things shared on our actual Shinify website. And you can actually get even more views from our user base because we actually generate thousands of images a day and hundreds of videos from our users. So we thought, wouldn't it be cool to be able to share these on the website so other people can see them as well? Just gives you more ways to advertise your top website videos or any videos you create. Now, whenever your video's finished, what's going to happen is you're going to get a preview so you can see what the video looks like. And then you can go ahead and download it as well just by clicking on download. But what I recommend is use something like CapCut, which is a free tool that will do any extra edits you want to do inside of your videos, because you might want to do different captions or add different music or do different transitions. And this is how you can really customize your video. Now, is it necessary? No, you don't need to add any extra stuff to the video, but sometimes it is helpful. And especially with the captions, I'll just give you a disclaimer. When you're doing captions inside of your videos on Shinify or even in CapCut, the platforms might not always get your captions correct. So if I do create captions here automatically with CapCut, it might misspell Shinify or it might misspell one of the websites. And so that's usually why I'll go do the editing afterwards in CapCut if we're doing something like a top 5 website video, because sometimes the captions can be off. But overall, you're going to be able to post these videos whether you use CapCut or not, but it's just up to you. I usually use CapCut just to do anything extra on top. Now, as far as doing these videos without doing any clicks, let's say you have a little bit of money to invest, I recommend using something like onlinejobs.ph to go and hire somebody in the Philippines that will help you start creating content by scheduling out all this content, clicking the buttons to generate the videos, and setting up everything you need, which, by the way, in the Philippines, you can hire somebody as a virtual assistant for $5 an hour, $4 an hour, and you don't even have to hire them full time. And so for $3 to $5 an hour, you could probably have them in a few hours create all of your videos and have them all scheduled out on something like Radar, so you don't actually have to go and do all this stuff yourself. But if you want to do it yourself and you want to learn the process, that's always helpful as well. Now, by the way, we have a brand new boot camp called Soaring Riches Bootcamp. It covers everything you're going to need to do to start earning money with AI video and with Sora's new OpenAI's new Sora. So if you want to join that, I'd recommend going to this link and getting into the bootcamp before time runs out. It's a 6-week bootcamp, and we're going to be taking you through step by step everything you need to do, how to build your Facebook page, how to set up your Radar account, how to do everything. And these are live classes on Zoom with replays. And again, it's just $297. So go check that out if you want to be a part of the bootcamp. But that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Till we do, happy money making. We'll see you. Bye.